Hey, this is Carl up here in Fairbanks, and today is April 2nd, and as you can see, it is snowing out, and there's my thermometer. We're right around 26 degrees, I think. But anyway, the interesting thing is that I just saw the first pair of eagles that I've seen this spring, so I'm gonna get out here. There's one. I'm not sure I've got the camera power here to, let's see if I can get up there. There he is, sitting up in the tree right there. So that one has the white head and the white tail, so it's probably 3 years old or older. Apparently when they're in their first and second years, they don't really have white on their